Hello again, YouTubers, GS1200 owners. Right, the next instalment of getting the brushes back in place on the start motor. What I realised is that, of course, this assembly goes in the other way up, upside down. So the zip ties are going to be hidden down in there, so inaccessible. What I found out is that an old penny fits in pretty much perfectly and holds the brushes in place. So I'm hoping I can release the zip ties and then invert the assembly, put it on here, and that penny is just the right size to fit through the hole that side. So it should just all come out. That's the theory. I won't have enough hands free to video that for you, but that's the principle I'm using to get this back together. I'll let you know how it goes in the next video.